Hi guys, in today's video I am going to be showing you how to solve this exponential equation. The question says, given that 5/6 raised to power of what? 1/2 equal to 6/5 raised to power of what? K minus 1. Find K. Solution. Now, the original equation that is given is 5/6 raised to power of what? 1/2 equal to 6/5 raised to power of what? K minus 1. Now, if you look at this exponential equation, you are going to observe that the basics are not the same. So for you to be able to solve this exponential equation, you must make sure that the bases are the same. It's either you express 5/6 on this left side of this equation in such a way it will become 6/5. So to do that, you are going to apply the reciprocal rule and the negative power. If I apply that for 5/6, this 5/6 will now equals to 6/5, everything raised to power of what? Minus 1. Now, if you simplify this 6/5 raised to power of minus 1, it will give you 5/6. Therefore, wherever you see 5/6 in this original equation, you are going to replace it with what? 6/5 raised to power of what? Minus 1. So we are going to have 6/5 raised to power of minus 1. So I am replacing this 5/6 as what? 6/5 raised to power of minus 1. Everything, don't forget here, that is raised to power of what? 1/2. I'm going to have 1/2 here equal to 6/5, everything raised to power of what? K minus 1. Now, I'm going to simplify the power. So before that, I will first write down what? 6/5. Okay. Then I'll use this minus 1 to multiply 1/2. If minus 1 multiplies 1/2, it will give me minus 1/2. Minus 1/2 equal to, I'm going to have 6/5, everything raised to power of what? K minus 1. Now, it is obvious, you can see it clearly that this base and this other base, they are now the same. So at this point, you are going to apply the rule of equality of power, or equality of exponents, which says if you have b raised to power of a, if b raised to power of a is equal to b raised to power of m, then a is equal to m. So if you compare this base on this left side and this base on this right side of this equation, is the same thing as this. So if we now apply this rule, that means we are going to leave the base. Since the bases are equal, we are going to leave the base and equate the power. So I'm going to have minus 1/2 equal to K minus 1. What are we looking for? We want to find the value of K. Therefore, I am going to multiply both sides. I'm going to multiply this side and the other side by what? By 2. So if I multiply both sides by 2, I'm going to have minus 1 minus 2 times 1 over 2 equal to 2 times k minus 1. So this, we cancel this. I'm going to have minus 1 equals to 2 into k minus 1. I'm going to have minus 1 equal to 2 times k will give me 2k. 2 times minus 1 will give me minus 2. Now, I am going to take this minus 2 to the left side of this equation. So this becomes minus 1. If this minus 2 is crossing or crosses this sign of equality, it becomes plus 2 equals to what we have left on this right side of the equation will now be what? 2k. So minus 1 plus 2 will give me 1 equal to 2k. Don't forget, we want to find the value of k. Therefore, you are going to divide both sides by 2. So therefore, k is equals to 1 over 2. Please don't forget to share, like, follow, and comment on this video.